Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we have y and first derivative of y. So this is about linear differential equations. So we need to put about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we can say that positive cosine s next to y. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one gone here. The integration of cosine s, that is about sine s. So we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we need to use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So in this one, we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, that is about y e to the power of sine s. Now we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine s. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine s ds. This one we change for u. This one we change for u. Cosine s ds we change for du. Now we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to u. So we can do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this dv, that is about e to the power of u du. The integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of u. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have dt multiplied by v. So we have the integration e to the power of u du. The integration of this one, that is about e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about sine s. Now we go back in here. Integration of this one, that is about this one. Next, we divide both sides by this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.